I didn't know this about myself, but apparently I have a staring problem. I didn't know that. Like, I'm in public, I'll look at someone for way too long, I'll just stare at them for way too long. My wife will nudge me like, hey, what are you doing? You're staring at this guy for way too long. You have a staring problem. Everyone feels uncomfortable now. That's what I said to her. I go, babe, we're actually meant for each other. It's like, what do you mean? Well, you like listening to people's conversations. You have a listening problem. And together we make a complete creep. Use that tonight. Tell your wife, you complete creep me. Like one time I was in a small town, and I was just staring at this guy's jacket for way too long. I was like, look at this guy. I like this jacket. Can I pull off a jacket like that? Leather jacket? Maybe I can do a leather jacket. It's probably like 30 minutes I was staring at this guy. And then at one point he comes up to me and goes, hey man, what's your problem? Are you trying to hit on me? Are you gay or something? No, I just like the way that jacket just drapes over your shoulders. Anyway, he's here tonight. He's driving me home. But